Hey guys, welcome back in SEO Guru, and I'm back with another exciting video. In this video, I'm going to show you the live how I create the SEO optimized articles that actually rank on the Google top 10 first page with the help of AI. So in this video, I'm going to use the Scalenut, and here is the keyword research. I have done that for the funnel builder for the WordPress. So keyword research is really easy with the Scalenut, and the best part is also create the clusters. Means it also create the group of the keywords that are pretty much the same topic that you can cover in your article here. So keyword research is really easy in the Scalenut. Just go to the main section. Here is the keyword planner, enter your seed keywords, select the target country, and boom, you start your keyword research. After that, you will get the results of the keywords, and straight from the keyword research you can also create the article with the help of AI. So suppose this is the keyword research I have done. Just click on the create article, and boom, your article will be ready to start creating. Let's click on the open article, and now we are going to do some steps with the help of we are going to create or generate the article within the few minutes. And here you can check it out. This is suggesting me the listicle type of the article will work best for me. You can see there are the more options available, but it is recommending me listicles. Means this article should be listicle, and I know this listicle article is going to be work like good, because if you do the competitor analysis on the SERP, you will also find out. But don't worry, it's also do the competitor analysis automatically. You can see reference article up to the 3. So if I select here, these are all the top 10 ranking articles on the SERP on the Google for my seed keyword here. So here what I can do, I can select manually, like this one I can select, and this one I can select. Okay, I can just select up to 3 URL. So based on the SEO score, I can select this one is got the 79, this one is the 53, this is 76, and this is the 57, but still the 53 is ranking high number 3 on here. Means this article is better in the tone or the writing style. I can also check out the hashtags and the images. So once I selected my reference articles or the SERP competitors, I can click here on the update. By the way, it's also automatically select these reference articles, but you can customize or select manually. That is the way. Then here is the thing, it is also going to generate the image for your feature image. So you can see there's the digital art, 3D animation, blog illustration. So I will go with the blog illustration. Then we have the key terms. Key terms are the keywords that is going to add or come in your articles. Means these keywords should be available in your articles, and this is the frequency and this is the importance. This got 9 out of 10. That means this keyword should and must be available in your article around 14 to 50 times. This is the frequency. Okay, so it is got all the important terms that should be available in my article. So I can select and deselect any of them if that is not suitable. Let's click on the update, and now you can see the tone of voice. So you can select the tone of voice, but by for me, I am going to go with the SERP analysis. That's why it is the SERP based. Means I'm going to get with the articles that is already ranking, and I want to write in the same tone and the same style. That's why it is automatically selected this SERP base, and everything is done by the AI. So I'm going to explaining the every feature here. That's why this video can be the longer than the actual article creation, but believe me, once you watch this video full, you are going to be a full and the SEO expert in the content writing. Let's click on the create title. Now it is going to generate the title for us, and it will also give us the some of the suggestions. For example, it has given me the title 10 must try funnel builders for the WordPress. But what I can do, I can also check it out the other titles as well from here. You can see, let's check out boost your ultimate guide, the best funnel builder for the WordPress, elevate your WordPress site. So I didn't like any of these one, but I have to select any of them. I think this one looks really good. Or what I can do, I can also check out the SERP competitors, means the top ranked site, analyze their titles, and after that I can came up with my own title. So I like this one. Here's the one. Okay, where's this one go? The best funnel. Okay, here's the one, best funnel builder for WordPress, top picks for the success. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the top picks for success, and here experts pick revealed. Okay, I think this title makes more exciting or making the users clicking the title. Okay, so once everything is done, let's click on the outline. on this step, the AI is going to analyze all the SERP competitors, finding out, you can see on the background there is this some green color marking on the text, means it is analyzing the text from the competitors and analyzing the whole article, headlines and outline, and based on that it is going to generate the outline for me covering all the important topics, and it can take around the 30 seconds, you can see. So I think while I am explaining these features, I will got my outline here. So still this is the 30 seconds going on, but believe me, this feature is mind blowing, and you can check it out. All the important headlines, outlines, and even the FAQ section, important questions I got in the outline, and this alone feature saving me a lot of the time, around the half an hour or even the 1 day, because analyzing, researching and creating the craft for the outline is the tedious task. But with the help of Scalenut AI, I got it within the, I think, 30 seconds. Yeah, it is 30 seconds, and now I can analyze whether the outline is actually good. It's also automatically added some of the tools as the funnel builders in the list here, and after that it has some informational outlines that should be covered in my article here. Okay, I can just check it out. It has also added the case study. I am really surprised with that. Okay, and so many good tools, and it has automatically added. So it has done based on the analyzing the competence. You can see all these green check marks. It has analyzed deeply all these outlines. So okay, so once you are done with your outline, let's click on the generate content, and this is the final step, because here our article will be start generating step by step, covering every little headline that is the added in the outline here, and it can take around the 1 or 2 minutes, because you know quality thing can take some time. So it is analyzing, generating the image right now. Okay, you can see, and once everything is done, I will give you a detailed more explanation here. So as for now, I think we have to wait around the 1 or 2 minutes, and boom, you can check it out here. One by one it is covering all the these headlines in the outline section here, and you can see from blue to it is converting into the green, means this outline is the done. And if I scroll down above, there will be also the image added here, but I think that will be added after all these outlines are generated. So I think we have to wait around few more seconds here until all these outlines marked as they tick and they turn into the green. But this is happening really fast here. For covering only the one headline, I think it will take around the half an hour. Okay, and it is just generating it really fast, understanding the step by step all the headlines here, and then after that generating the content for that. Okay, so right now I think half the article is done and half still to go, so we have to wait few more seconds, but I can wait it for here. So let's wait. And boom, my full article is generated. And if I cut the explanation part of the Scalenut, I think this article generated within the 5 minutes, from the keyword research to the outline to the title and to the all the content. It is generated in the pretty fast. Now let me analyze whether this article is actually seems quality or not. So we have the highlights, means this is the things that is covered in the article. This is the introduction part. Welcome to our expert guide on best funnel builder or for WordPress. Building on optimized sales funnel is essential for any online business that wants to convert more visitors into the customers. I think the article is pretty good. Now let's read out the some of these listicles, that is funnel builders added in the list here. Seedpod, the ultimate landing page, and the funnel builder. Seedpod is the powerful and user-friendly funnel builder, actually pretty good, but I can improve more here. Like I can add the image, I can add the features and benefits bullet points, I can add the some little bit more about the this funnel builder, and in the end I can add the call to action with the link here. So that is the improvising thing we can also do as the content writer or the SEO expert. Now scroll down below, there's also the bullet point added. Let's scroll down more and check it out. Overall, the structure of the content, oh my god, it's also added a table here. The quality, I'm really surprised with the Scalenut here. Let's scroll down below till the end and check it out how it is going on. Everything is good. We have the conclusion, we have the all the frequently asked question answered in this section here. So I'm really surprised with the Scalenut's cruise mode, although I am using Scalenut around till from the or since the 2022, but the consistent update and the quality improvement they had done is the mind-blowing. So apart from this content, let me also talk about some of the insight that you are seeing in the right corner here. Like the SEO score, out of 100 it got the 74, means it is really good. If you remember, I have selected the competitors that have the SEO score around the 70 60 around, but here we got the 74 and our word count is the around 5500 words, and I got the suggested keywords, means the 74 keyword terms should be available in the article, but the keyword it has added around the 48. So if I cursor it, you can see all these keyword terms used in the article. So I'm really surprised. Let's click on the export to editor, and this is the our final term where the article that is generated by the AI in our editor section. Here we can change the keywords, we can change the text, we can add the images, all the things we can do it here. So around I think the 95% work I have already done with the AI under the 5 minutes. All the keywords is added, but still there are some things I need to improve, and those things you can check it out here and here on the right section. Like the SEO score, if you check it here, there is some red tags and the red markups available. I need to improve that. For example, here you can see meta tag issue is going on, and that issue is meta description length is the 170 characters, suggested is 120. So we need to improve this meta description thing here. This is the 117 words, but I need to make it around the 120 words. So what I can do, I can just simply click it here on the fix it. This is the quick action button that is going to fix all the issue that is currently going on with that section here. So you can see right now it's we got the 3 options for the meta description. I can just check all of them, and I think this looks really good. So let's click on the add, and now this issue is gone. Same issues I can feel it here on the feature snippet. So what I can do, just click on the fix it, and now it will suggest me some of the feature snippet. I can move it anywhere on the article here, but right now it is generating on the front part, but I can make it on the middle of it. So I got the 33 variants for this snipper feature. I can just go on, check it out. To making the video really quick, I am going to select this one. So let's click on the add, and now boom, my feature snippet problem is also gone. Okay, I think it's not gone. Let me click again on the fix it. Let me add this time this one. Let's add this one. Okay, let's click on the add, and now boom, this time this feature snippet problem is gone. Same thing with the link. So what is the link problem? I think the outbound links. Okay, this is the link for the outbound, and suggested is the 14 to 28 times, and I think I can pretty much improve this links issue here, because I can add the inbound links in every this funnel builder as the CTA. So that can be easily solved. Then we have the problem for the H2 H6 headings. It is asking me to primary or secondary keywords should be present in H2 to H6 headline. So this is the problem it is suggesting me. I can easily solve that too. I just need to add some keywords as the primary or secondary headlines. Then this is the content depth, and here's the things you will get some as this cross icon, and you need to improve this cross things. Means current bold word count is 0, suggested is 52 to 64. So what does this mean? It means like if I make this sentence or few keywords as the bold, right now these are the I think 5 or 6 keywords. Let me make it bold, select and click on the bold, and I don't know why this is not working. Let's click on. Okay, I think I need to refresh the page here, that's why it is not adding it here. It can be a internet issue or the server issue, but don't worry, once you refresh the article here or page here, everything will be working fine. So I'm refreshing the page so I can show you how you can sort out that issue. So okay, so page is refreshed. Let's select again that sentence, and now let's click on the bold, and this time this keyword is bold here. And again let's go to the content depth, and here you can check it out here. current bold count is the 8. So these are the 8 keywords here out of 52. So that's how you are going to also solve this problem. Let's go to the last issue, that is the keyword density. And this is the really important, because here it will show some of the keyword that is used as the more than 2%. You can see it is suggesting me these keywords should not be more than 2%, but this funnel keyword is used more than 3%. This sales funnel is 2.2. 2.2 is good, okay. Less than 2.5 is okay, but if it's I think the 3%, 4% or 5%, you need to decrease the number or frequency of that keyword here or that word here. Okay, so I need to remove this funnel words a few times, so it can come under to around 2.2 or under 2%. Same thing you can see here, these topic keywords should be around 0.5%, but they are appearing 0.1% or 0%. so I need to also add these long tail keywords in the article, so it can reach the target around 0.5%, and that's how you are going to improve your SEO score. Okay, so originally it was the 74%, but after some changes it was now 75%. so that's how you are going to make your full article as the expert, as the SEO expert content writer. And once everything is done, what you can do, you can export the article direct into your WordPress. Okay, that is the pretty much simple thing. Plus what you can do, you can also copy and paste, add some images and do all the things, and thus your article is ready to rank on the top 10 on the Google's first page. So this is the Scalenut article writer, from keyword planner to article writer. Within the few minutes I have generated a full article live and in front of you. So now I think you are the fully SEO content writer with the help of Scalenut. And let me tell you, the article generator or optimized with the Scalenut is really rank high on the Google. If I go to traffic analyzer, I have connected my website with the Scalenut here, because I am using it from the past few years here, and you can check it out, the traffic, the change, it is consistently help me to rank higher on the Google. This is the power of Pro SEO tool. Okay, and there's also this detect and humanize thing or feature that is recently added, and in future I am going to cover it with the detail, but right now it is in the beta mode. That's why not for everybody this feature is unlocked, but in near future we can get to see this feature certainly, and instantly we get to know whether the article generated with the Scalenut, although the generated article is the 100% humanized, that is the specialty of the Scalenut's AI writer. But if you want to check it also manually, we can do it with this feature in the future. Okay, this is all about I want to talk about the Scalenut. And if you want to detailed video on the Scalenut, these features, just go to my SaaS Guru YouTube channel and search here Scalenut. You will find out all the features detailed video. Like this is for the traffic analyzer, this is the detailed review, this is for the case study on I have showed you how I ranked my article within the just few days Google first page using the Scalenut SEO. Then this is the cruise mode tutorial, this is the overall video on the Scalenut, this is the comparison. All the videos in detail you can find it on my channel, because I am using the Scalenut from around 2022. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this live detailed article writing session of me using the Scalenut AI. So if you want to check out the Scalenut, its lifetime deal is not available. This is I told by the mistake, but there's the free plan available of the Scalenut that you can use or try as the free. Okay, you can see try for free, and its premium plan is also really affordable. I think around the few dollars you can get start Scalenut's all the features here. Okay, but as for now you can try it yourself as the free and check out its features, and once you like it you can go then to its premium plans. Okay, so if I go to the pricing is really affordable, plus you will also find the 10% discount link in the description of this video. Okay, so its pricing just starting from the $19 a month. It's around so much cheap, and you are getting so many features compared to Surfer SEO. This Scalenut is mind blowing. Okay, so if you want to check it out, the link will be given in the description with the 10% extra discount. So bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one. I know this video goes around the 20 minutes, but believe me, now watching this video with the detailed step by step using the Scalenut SEO, you are now a expert SEO content writer. So let's end this video. Bye bye, take care. Make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel to stay updated, and I will see you in the next one.